Hey guys, welcome back. In this one, we're diving into an Archero 2 beginner's guide. Yeah, I'll walk you through the best tips and tricks so you can progress faster, avoid early mistakes, and, have more fun. So, let's get started. All right, first things first, gold. When you start playing Archero 2, you'll notice you earn gold pretty quickly, but it can also vanish fast if you're not careful. So here's the deal. Split your gold spending between upgrading your gear and buying talent cards. Personally, I like doing, a 50-50 split. Once your talent cards are maxed, you can focus all that gold on upgrading your gear instead. Next up, energy. This one's important. Energy regenerates every 12 minutes and each run needs 5 energy. So yeah, patience pays off here. Avoid spending diamonds on energy unless it's absolutely necessary. Just wait for it to recharge naturally, Okay, so diamonds, the premium currency. You earn these slowly by completing chapters, events, and daily tasks, but don't just burn through them. The smartest move is to spend diamonds on midstone chests and shovels. These give you targeted gear and better rune options. Avoid wasting diamonds on energy refills or flashy event bundles. They're usually not worth it. Archero 2 isn't just about the main chapters, right? There are multiple game modes you'll want to try. You've got Sky Tower, which is like a fast-paced mini version of chapters, and it's great for unlocking higher levels. Arena mode gives you PvP style battles, but it's actually against NPCs, so your strategy matters more than reflexes. Then there's Seal Battle, Gold Cave for farming gold and scrolls, and Rune Runs for upgrading your rune sets. Always make sure you use your free tickets daily before spending any extra diamonds. Alright, gear time. Don't level up gear directly. Instead, upgrade your gear slots. That way, every piece you equip in that slot matches the upgraded level. When merging gear, focus on S tier sets since they're the strongest long term. And yeah, weapons matter. A lot. The Dragon Spear is awesome for chapter progression. Dragon Claws are best for boss fights, and the Dragon Knight crossbow is, the balanced all-rounder. Now, weapons and playstyle kind of go hand in hand. Claws give insane damage, but they're risky. You'll need to master dodging attacks up close. Spears and crossbows are safer and easier to handle. Personally, I love using the beam staff because with the right upgrades, like multiple projectiles or homing shots, you can melt enemies fast. Find what works best for you. Runes are like hidden bonuses for your gear. Early on, just equip your highest level runes, but later you'll want to build theme sets. Stuff like Meteor plus sword runes for massive combos or sprite runes for healing are game changers. Oh, and if you find a sprite rune, prioritize it. It's solid for pretty much any build. Characters can be upgraded with shards from events, but honestly, early on, focus on your gear and runes first. Guilds though? Definitely join one. Donate daily to level up your guild. This unlocks better shop rewards. Spend your guild coins on chromatic chest keys, wish coins, and rune charts. Oh, and keep an eye out for those 10% discount offers. Saves you some currency long term. Start challenges give you extra diamonds for completing bonus objectives inside chapters, so always check those. Daily hunts, on the other hand, reward you with quick hunt tickets. And yeah, you get one free quick run every day. If you want to progress faster, don't skip these. Privilege cards are optional, but if you're planning to spend a little, the permanent ad-free card is the best value. It removes all ads and gives you better rewards. But hey, if you're free to play, totally fine to skip these. Alright, couple more quick tips. Don't rush progression. Build up your gear and runes gradually, stay on top of your task rewards, and always redeem free gift codes from the official Discord. Those freebies add up over time, trust me. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this Archer 2 beginner's guide. Hopefully this helps you get a smoother start without wasting resources. If you found it useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out my next video for advanced strategies. Catch you there.